Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to create a standard test code and also how to add a standard test in one account or in one item. Please subscribe my channel and let your comments if you have any doubt or anything that you want to add, just let me know. So let's go to Business Central and check how to work with standard test code and extended code. In Business Central, what we will do first is find the standard test code. So you can go to Explore. Let's close this. And then you can find here standard test code. We already have some tests, so let's just open this. Okay, so basically is a code, and here you can add a description. How you can use it. If you go to, so let's open here. We don't have nothing, so it's basically what is in the list. So how you can use this. So let's go to one purchase invoice, and then we can select this kind of code, and you will see that the system will fill with the test that we have. And also, if you want to create additional test, it's simple. You just have to come here and say, let's put travel expense 1, for example, and then you can do here basically the same travel expense for let's put just 1. Okay, so it's safe. Then what we can do, we can go to the purchase invoice. Okay, let's open this. This is my last. Okay, so we already have some example, but just let me just delete this. Okay, and then here I can add the only thing that you need to do here to use this standard test code is select the type like comment, and then here you add the test. So in this case I can use test 1 just for us to see, and you see that the system select the test that was defined before. Also here what you can do is you can define a test in an account, a specific test. So let's open just for you to see it. So here I open in a view mode this account. Okay, then what I did here is that I add before one extend test that the name is report. What I want is every time that the user select this account miscellaneous expense in a purchase invoice, that the system, let me open and show to you, that the system add the expense report, and then the user can just input the number of the report instead of every time need to fill this expense report. And what I did here, I just make this available for the purchase invoice That means that if I select this in other purchase document, this will not appear at extend test. So let's check how this works. So let's go back to our purchase invoice. So I will select here another line, but this time I will select the GL account, and here I will put my account, and you will see that the system will automatically fill this second line as the extend test that I add before. Also, I can do this for one item. So let's select here okay. I think I fill for this. So let's okay. So let's go and see. Okay, let's see if we have extend test. I add here color, but let's see if okay. But probably I add this just to the sales document, as you can see here, sales invoice. What I will do now, I will also add the purchase invoice so you can see what is the color. I need to specify. Okay, so it's save. Let's go back. Let's select here again. Okay, in this case I didn't see the test, so let's check. No, update. No. Okay, I have my test. It's up. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, the automatic test is missing, so we need to flag this. But in this case, I'm in view mode, so let's edit this and put okay. Now it's on, and if I select this item now, the automatic test will appear in my purchase invoice. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so here you can see that color reference is now appeared. And what I can do here, if I go in details, I can fill this extend test in a different language, and I can also select. So let's go back a little bit and show how you can do this. Okay, so let's go. It now is active, and then what we will do is go to extend test and see how I can fill this if I want to do this in a different language. So basically you just have to select here what is the language that you want. Okay, and also here you select what is the document that you want that this extend test is at. Okay, thank you, and please add your comments and your doubts. Thank you.